So have you ever bought a flagship smartphone like this with your 1 month salary and then thought, wow, I did great? Yeah, then watch this video. This might change your opinion. So yeah, I used to be one of those guys. I used to chase after Apple, Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, and recently Google. So I bought this smartphone, the Pixel 7 Pro for under 50k in 2024, and here's what I got. A frying pan, because it actually turns into that instantly within minutes of playing a game. And resale value close to a budget smartphone. And finally, a big green line appearing right at the middle, tearing apart the whole screen into two new spaces. So it came right after the recent update, and when I called Google regarding this issue, they said that,
Sorry, your warranty has expired.
so that's 50k right into the dust. That's when I realized flagships are not the ships that I can sail on. And then I saw this phone, the Poco F7. So I got it under 25k, and it has got everything the Pixel 7 Pro has. I mean, just look at its resale value. Yeah, it's better than the Pixel 7 Pro. And even if it stopped working after 1 to 2 years, I think I won't be feeling that bad. So yeah, that's the story here. And now Poco has launched this smartphone, Poco M8, which by the way is considered as a budget smartphone to look out for in 2026. So let's see if it can impress me like the Poco F7 did. Also, this video will not be your regular YouTube video. I'm not here to talk about design, spec sheet, cameras. I will talk about the 4 best things this smartphone has that has driven me to buy it. So it's an honest confession. And before going into the thing that actually pushed me to get this phone, let's unbox it to see what's inside in it, shall we? So the box appeared to be the same as the other Poco models right now, the signature black and yellow box. So this model comes in 3 colors, and this one is actually a green one with 8GB RAM and 512GB ROM. So when you open this box, you'll get to see this package here with the logo clearly printed on it. So inside this package, you'll get to see this SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty, and then this neat case. I have already said it, Poco and Xiaomi are giving these new type of silicone cases, and these are way better than the transparent ones that we see in other brands. These are lightweight, durable, and they don't change color that easily. You can absolutely check the need to buy a phone case with this, it is that good. So moving on, you'll get to see this cover with the phone inside. We'll get back to it very shortly. And there you go, we have the 45-watt charging brick and the USB Type-C cable placed inside in it. So that's the whole unboxing fiasco. So as you can see here, these are some of the main highlights of the smartphone given here on the packaging itself. So the first thing that you notice here is the weight. It is light as feather. In fact, this is one of the reasons that has driven me to get this phone. It is 178 grams and only 7.5 mm thick, which makes it the lightest of the budget smartphones I have seen so far. So if you are looking out to buy a lightweight smartphone for your parents, then look no further. This smartphone will definitely make them appreciate you. Because look at this, it is going inside my pockets easily and also make me feel like it is even not there at all. That's how much lightweight it is. Moving on, the number 2 reason that made me to buy this smartphone is its silicon carbon battery. The 5520 mAh battery given in this smartphone is engineered to retain over 80% capacity after 1600 charging cycles. So in simple terms, it can reach over 5 years of regular usage, and on top of it, it is said to see over 4 years of regular update. This means this phone can take you up to Android 19 with ease. Number 3, durability. While many budget smartphones are notoriously known for their not so durable build quality, this smartphone is a total game changer. I mean, being at a budget, this phone comes with much needed durability upgrades like Gorilla Glass Victus 7i, IP66 rated dustproof protection, A10H military graded protection certification, and on top of this, it comes with SGS rated 5-star drop resistance. I mean, you can clearly say that this is built like a tank. Number 4, get this, a 4nm chipset. Yes, you heard it right. It comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, a 4nm chipset in a budget price range. I mean, if you are not satisfied with this, wait until you hear this. It comes with LPDDR4X RAM. So these two combined together will make this smartphone lag-free and smooth like a butter. I mean, just look at its performance. The phone is taking literally no lags at all. And I'm just loving it. I mean, who needs flagship smartphones when you have these, right? So yeah, these are the 4 reasons which made me to buy Poco M8. And I will be giving you my full review soon after using it for at least a week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest tech reviews like these.